Hello everybody. Today we'll be finding out how to find out electronic configuration of an element. To do this exercise, we'll be considering sodium. So let's look at the periodic table for a second. So where is sodium? So let's look at sodium. It's right here. Now what information does it give us? Atomic number of sodium is 11, which means that the number of electrons present in sodium is 11. Number of protons in sodium is 11 as well. We basically have to locate all these 11 electrons into different orbitals. Now the second information we are getting is this: S holds 2 electrons, P holds maximum of 6 electrons, D holds maximum of 10 electrons, and F holds maximum of 14 electrons. Now that we know this, now let's move on to the chart we need to know. Now what does this chart mean? Which means that how to fill up all the different electrons, or the priority of orbitals. So first we have to fill up at 1, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, then 3p. Now how do we actually draw this chart by ourselves? So to draw that, let's draw like this: 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 3d, 4s, 4p, 4d, and 4f, and this is how we're gonna keep on going. To fill them up, we're gonna start from 1s and this fashion. So we're gonna draw like this. So first you're gonna go to 1s, then 2s, then 2p followed by 3s, then 3p, 4s, 3d, this fashion. Now let's fill up the electrons for sodium. So we have a total of 11 electrons. First is gonna go to 1s, right? So let's put, so it can take maximum of 2, so 1 is 2. Second is 2s. It also can take maximum of 2, so 2s2. Third is 2p. So total it can take 6. So it's 2p6. Now if you notice, we have total number of electrons is 2 plus 2 plus 6, so total 10 electrons. Total number of electrons we need to actually fill in is 11, so we have 1 more left, and the next orbital would be 3s1. So this is basically the total electronic configuration for sodium. Now you can practice with different elements so that you get more ideas.